In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Arc Reader's voice chat not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch settings. Navigate to the option privacy and security. Scroll down and head over to the option microphone. Make sure the option to allow apps to access your microphone is turned on, because if this is disabled, none of your apps or games will be able to use your mic. After you enable it, confirm that the microphone you are using is the one properly connected to your PC. Next, open Device Manager and look under Sound, Video and Game Controllers or Audio Inputs to find your microphone. Right-click on it. Open Properties and check for any available driver updates by selecting Update Driver. After that, go into your sound settings, navigate to Recording tab, and make sure your microphone is enabled and set as the default device. Once these steps are completed, launch Arc Reader, select the correct microphone in the game settings, and your voice chat should be working properly again. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.